Welcome and let's get happy.
Oh, which way are we going?
Because look what's back in stock, everybody. But here's what you need to know. Our final order of the year. It's January 20th.
It is.
And it's our final order of the year. So if you want these amazing oven-safe gloves with the silicone accents, you need to be dialing in. I already ordered 3 sets of them for myself this morning because I did not want them to sell out. Here's what you also need to know. We're introducing 2 new patterns for you. One of them is this adorable egg hunt, which is like a turquoise color, Tara, with white and kind of like pink or mauve shade eggs.
Silicone.
And then we also have the firework, patriotic.
We might have sold out of that, actually.
Did the patriotic sell out already?
I think so.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding.
No. And that's what you picked up, right?
I picked up one of those earlier today. So let me go through the colors that are available, and then you can take it away from there. So come down in front and let's take a look. Now the cool thing, Tara, for people who collect either floral lace or old world, this is the set that features both of those patterns on both sides.
That's right. Just pick a color.
So here we have it for you in your brown. Then we have your spice. Love that spice orange. Then we have it for you in black, your green, your cranberry, your eggplant, which is a little brighter eggplant, kind of a little more grapey purple.
Super purple.
Then we have it for you in blue, which is a nice navy. We have it in red, and we have that egg hunt. One last thing, there are 2 sizes available. If I've ordered your originals in the past that only came in one size, am I better off going small or large here? How do I know?
Those were the largest. So if you picked up the previous set, there's a smaller size, which is a little bit more my hand size.
Okay.
All right.
I have the smalls on. They feel good.
Yeah, they feel good.
So again, I think, small if you wear like probably up to a smaller medium women's size glove.
Yep.
If you are a large woman's glove or a man's size hand, David hand, you're going to get the large. Now here's an update for you already. Black, egg hunt, cranberry, spice, last call.
Wow.
So
we just showed these at 1 a.m. this morning.
What is the big,
so let's talk
I know
about
the
it.
big deal because I'm obsessed with these. I no longer use pot holders. I only use these. Explain why people love them.
So here's why I designed them first and foremost. First of all, I gave you a longer cuff because I'm constantly reaching in and out of the oven and bumping into, whether it's the side of the oven door, whether it's being able to pull the rack in and out. This gives me that ability, again, to reach inside and not have to worry. We always show you an extreme demo just so you truly understand that there is virtually no heat transfer. We can take a kettle right off the stove and I can hold it. Now, I start to feel a little warmth after a couple of minutes, but it's certainly nothing that I'm going to feel that I'm burning. You want to put it on your hand?
Sure.
We took the silicone on the front and the back so that you don't have a right hand or a left hand, because who wants to be trying to figure that out when you're in the oven trying to come out with something that's 500 degrees?
Exactly.
But it also gives you that non-slip grip. So now you have that great dexterity when you're opening things. These become that little helper in the kitchen that you will use over and over. And I think that's why people have loved them.
Well, it's just so much easier when you're bringing the cookie pan out to have the gloves on your hands and pull it out than trying to use a towel or trying to use those pot holders that might look like big oversized Gumby hands, but they don't really give you much heat protection.
That's right.
Like unless you quickly go from here to here, and you shouldn't be doing that with hot things, you feel like you could get burned. The extension that you have here for the protection I think is awesome. What about washing these? Because inevitably I'm going to get spaghetti sauce or something on them.
You're just going to want to, you can put them right in your washing machine, just let them lie flat to dry. Because of that silicone, you don't want to put that in your dryer.
6,500 of you have dialed in for these today. This is our only and final order of these of the year. And in this show, 5,000 of them order.
Wow.
Wait, how did that just happen? 5,000 of these ordered. All right, so let me just show colors one more time. Am I going to need to pull some colors here soon, Frank? I think.
So just so you know, Jill, when you're doing this, the small is up top, the large is on the bottom.
Oh,
so
God.
if you're taking colors away, just FYI.
Well, I just want you to see.
And then you
let's show the difference. How's this, guys? Does that help you with sizing? Here's the small. Here's the large. I'll put them over top of each other. So originally, Tara, this large size was the original Temptation size.
Correct.
So if I've ordered from you for years and I want new, I'm going large.
If they worked for you, go large.
If you felt like the large was just a little big and you wish it was a little more fitted,
we got a ton of requests.
then we did it for you here in the small, okay? So again, large and small, your 2 sizes. This is your brown. Try to do your display all nice again.
Nope.
Then we have spice orange. Last call on that, large only. Then we have your black. gone.
In both?
Whoa. Then we have green, last gall, size small. Do we have large left in the green? Okay. Then cranberry. Then we have eggplant, which is that pretty vibrant purple, size small as last call. Then we have the blue, which is like a navy blue. I ordered a set of those today. Then we have the red. And then down at the end, we have egg hunt. That's gone. I'm going to scoot across the front.
And I'm going to take them off and switch to green.
Okay, sounds good.
Perfect.
All right, egg hunt gone. All right, we are busy on the phones. The other thing I love about this, didn't even mention this, the easy pay on this is 6 payments of $3 and change. Pretty good. Also a great gift item. This is one of those items you buy 2 or 3 extras of because you never know when you might get invited to somebody's house.
Right.
You never know when somebody might drop by last minute and bring you a little something and you're like, I want to give you something too. I also have to say, Tara, it is not unusual for me to throw these down on my table.
As a trivet.
And I use it as a trivet.
Perfect.
I do that a lot.
Designed for that as well. This was my mom's idea, and I thought this was brilliant. And she loves when I say this. But as she gets older, she's confessed that she doesn't have a lot of strength in her wrists.
Yes.
So what she loves is that she can take her beautiful stock pot, whatever it might be, and she can actually pick it up and slide her hand, Jill, under here.
Yes.
Can I switch places with you?
Of course.
And she can bring it right over, and she has that dexterity. She has that security because she has her hand underneath, and then she can go and strain. So I thought that was really, really smart and clever.
Agreed.
That she has the ability, whether it's your cook's essentials, whether it's cast iron, cast aluminum, no matter what, you've seen us take a tea kettle and put it on our hands. You never have to worry about this. You can even take it out to the grill when you're barbecuing.
Great.
So I actually turn the potatoes just with my hand instead of getting the whole tongs and that whole situation.
Yeah, great.
So these are just the perfect companion in your kitchen for so many different things. And look, Jill, let's talk about what we're using. Air fryers, microwaves, Oster ovens, the instant pots. All of those things were in and out. We're hot. We're coming out with things.
Grill.
And I love, love, love it for the grill.
It's great for the grill.
Because for me, it's inevitably steaks. You're doing things, big things, your vegetables. You can have instead of using a mitt, you actually, with your fingers, it gives me more comfort when I'm holding things hot.
Well, that's really the trick, isn't it? Because most type of protections are simply like a mitten.
Yes.
Right? And this is a glove. This allows you to really use all of your hands and grab things more securely. Plus, it's more fitted, right? So it feels more like it's your actual hand, but with protection.
That's right.
And that, I think, is really huge. Okay, so this is never good. It's 10:48 on Sunday morning. We started with 18,000 of these. There are only 5,000 left, which might sound like a lot, but in this show, we've sold 10,000 of them.
Wow.
And we just lost 2 more colors.
Oh, boy.
So what's gone?
Okay.
Let's show spice is now gone.
Thank you.
Can't be a spice girl anymore.
No more.
And and cranberry is available only in the large. All right, and I'm going to scoot down the brown down here, and I'll put this like that. Okay.
Perfect.
So here are the colors that remain: brown, green, cranberry only in large, and that cranberry is kind of like a burgundy color.
Yes, it is.
Then next to that we have the purple, which is, we call it eggplant, but again, a little bit brighter
It's like a grape.
Grape.
For sure.
Then we have the blue, which is like a navy. And then we have it for you in that classic red. There's a small and there's a large. If you've ordered these in the past from Tara, that size was equivalent to what this large is. If you like those but always felt they were a little too big on your hand, that's why Tara created the small. So if you're more petite, if you just have a smaller hand, even if you want to get your kids involved in cooking in the kitchen,
absolutely,
the small size could be great for them as well.
And I just wanted to show you back here, this truly was why it was designed. The fact that I have that great cuff here, so when I'm reaching in and out of that oven, I can even grab the rack. A lot of times I grab the tongs and then I'm creating such a mess. So I love the fact that no matter where I'm reaching in here, I have that security. And then of course, coming in and out of the oven with your macaroni and cheese, your lasagna, all of those things that you're making, you have the security of these great oven gloves with so much more. The silicone that makes it non-slip and safer in the kitchen. And to Jill's point, and I should have brought that mac and cheese up, how rude of me, I could have used that as a trivet as well. So these again are those pieces that you're going to keep all around the kitchen or inside, outside, like you were saying, a couple of sets and just have
them. That's why you want more than one set.
Absolutely.
That's why I want more than one set, because I have the set I'm wearing, but then where's the one that I can throw down on the countertop when I pull something hot out of the oven? I don't want to put that on my countertops. I want something to protect it. I love putting something soft down
Yes.
to protect it that I know, again, has silicone on both sides. There's not a right side or a wrong side here, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed, they're going to fit you just great. They're comfortable, they look great, they're easy to take care of. They're a total game changer. And of course, you know, listen, you can try them for 30 days. If you don't like them, you send them back.
Absolutely.
But what you have to really understand, I think the point of today and why I was so excited that this was in my show, I was like, oh, my.
She did do that little dance.
This is the final order of the year.
Yes, in
the
January.
Final order of the year on January 20th. I'm not quite sure how that happened, but that is what happened. So we started with 18,000 on the day. We only have 3,000 left.
Wow.
Cranberry just sold out, T.
Okay.
So I'm going to go take
We only
that
had that in
here.
large,
All
right?
right. So
I'll grab
I'm going
him
to take
from
that
you.
one. Thank you.
Or her.
We'll just keep moving on down the line here. Now in the brown, large only.
Okay.
In green, large only. In eggplant, large only.
Theme here.
In blue, last call, large only. In red, sold out. Oh my gosh. Now here's what I want you all to like take a second here. You're freaking out and saying, large only. That was the original size. That was the size that if you've tried them before,
right,
and then you've gone to QVC.com to reorder them and they're out of stock because it takes us a long time to get them back in, that's the size you would have been reordering. So if you've already owned these and love them, I know you might be bummed that I don't have any small, but you already know you love this size, so just go ahead and get another set. This is going to be the size also if you have multiple cooks in the kitchen. Your husband probably can't wear the small.
For sure.
But you as a small could wear the slightly larger size.
And I had for so long, and it was only through customers' requests.
Yes.
For that smaller petite size. And then I'm like, you guys are brilliant. Because these actually fit me so much better.
Great. Guess what just sold out?
Which one?
Blue.
Blue.
And then there were three, Tara.
then there were
So there's
three.
chocolate brown. I ordered a set of chocolate brown today. I ordered brown, I ordered blue, and I ordered patriotic. Because I have a lot of brown tones in my kitchen.
Like I love earth tones.
You know,
and,
yeah, I
yes,
like the earthy.
gorgeous.
Then we have the green, which is that classic old world green. But remember, the cool thing about this pattern is you have elements of both old world and floral
I love
lace.
it. You don't have to choose. You're just picking your color. And what's nice is if you've never even collected either one of those patterns, but you need a great pair of gloves, it's such a great pattern.
Well,
It
that's a
looks
good
fabulous.
point. Like, I'm sorry I didn't even raise that. You don't have to own a single thing of Temptations ever in your life to have these, because I think once you get these at home, you're going to be like, I can't believe how much more comfortable I am taking things in and out,
confident,
handling hot things. I was even thinking ahead to Easter, when if you have a big electric roaster where you have your big turkey or your ham, to pull that big roaster out.
Absolutely.
Again, you're not going to do that with little pot holders. Do it with the gloves
like
that
Eric's
give you the
Wonder
ability
Cooker,
to grab.
he shamelessly promoted from the side.
Like the Wonder Cooker. Where I said to him, you should have had some
I
of
know,
those
and I saw
Temptations
him.
gloves.
By the way, I saw him struggling with the towels because it got caught. Saw that.
That was like the best before we could have possibly had, because here is your after. All right, so there's 12. Oh gosh, Tara, there's only 1,200 of these left.
You guys are going to love them. You already are loving them, which is so great.
All three colors, Frank. I still have brown. I still have green. I still have eggplant. Last call on eggplant, which again is more of a grapey purple. Your easy pay is $3.04. I don't know if you're supposed to be on with these later today.
I was in the 5 o'clock show with Alberti, so we're going to figure out something else.
Yep, well,
how about that?
He's a good dancer, so you can start tapping away.
I adore you.
Nice to see you, honey.
Good to see you too. Thank
Listen,
you, everybody.
check out some more of the great things that Tara is bringing to QVC. Her Tara at Home collection is on QVC.com.
It is.
Check that out if you're somebody who likes the